Today we are going to be making chili, Chinese chili sauce. Okay, so I got my lime, got my bulb garlic, and then a ginger, which is similar size. And I got some sugar, some salt, and some oil. Sunflower oil was recommended, but I don't have any. Now we need some water and some sesame oil. I've got like some jam jars, some chili jars. I don't know what this one is for my mother-in-law, but it says very hot chili sauce. This is made by her before, so I'm gonna probably return her a flavor of one of these after I've made some. Now, how many grams do I have? Wow, exactly 50. Couldn't have planned it better. We have the dried chili long. We have the red chili round. And we have the world hottest chili variety, the Jolakia. Don't know, I'm butchering the name. Okay, so South Devon chili farm is from. It's all the stuff you can get in the Chinese supermarkets or your local supermarket. Right, so ginger, back on the knife, and just scrape it. Alright, then we just roughly chop it up. Okay, the oven is ready, so just turn it off. Stick these jars in. I was planning to use this blender for blending everything together, which would be fine, but crushing the seeds would be a little bit difficult because the blade is actually quite high off the bottom. Instead, I'm going to use this coffee grinder, and that would help me to able to crush up all the little fine seeds and make it nice and smooth paste. Okay, we're going to start off by putting all the little chops of chili peppers into this coffee grinder and start blending them all first. Now I've got my fresh chili all blended up. I'm going to squeeze this lemon and then pour it into this blender, so hopefully I can wash it out a little bit to help to get the chili out so I don't have any spicy coffee beans later. At this point, I just mix in the lime with the fresh chili. Got the mashed up fresh chili inside this big mixer. I'm going to add slowly portions of dried stuff so I can blend it all together. For you eagle eyes out there, you would have noticed that I have totally forgotten to add the water this time. As it was so dry, I couldn't really be able to blend it all the way properly. So I've got my 2 cups of water ready. I'll only add just a little bit. And I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic. And let's go for it again. Now we're talking. Now I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients and making sure that there's enough liquid to keep it nice and pasty. Now combining everything that I've blended. Now to add the sugar and salt and give it another good blend. What's that looking like? Looking good. Oh, it's thick. It's gonna be hot. It's got sweet. Oh my goodness, it's hot. I think I need to add a little bit more sugar, and the oil could possibly be added now. Right, let's give it a try now. Ooh, that's nice. Nearly done. Just now need to fill these jars that I've just been heating up in the oven. Okay, and then on top of that we've got sesame oil. Thin layer. Done. First jar. 1, 2, 3, 4 sugar jars. Best way to serve it into a little dish with a nice big dollop of the chili sauce and add a bit of soy sauce. And once you're ready, find your favorite food and start dipping and eating. Enjoy!